welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. I've been actually like checking like my previous uploads, and I've noticed that it looks like we've been doing a lot of shopping in the Chinese shops. So here's the thing. So today we have an interesting video. Like, okay, I was in the shop and I was like, let's try this wig and see how it's going to look. And y'all, I kid you not, this wig right here is 55 rands, y'all. Like, it was, I don't know how much it was. I think it was 70 something rand, and then I got it on discount for 55 flipping rands. If you know, you guys, Mihlali had this other nice dress from, I don't know, I think she got it from Zara or something. I don't know where she got it, but Chinese decided to to create the same dress, and everyone was busy like going and shopping on the dress. And I think even today people are still wearing that dress, and I was like, what if we do this episode but we do it using a wig? So she just recently posted a look right here, and of course y'all, I'll create a full-on look, but I don't have the dress. I don't even know where she got the dress, but I was like, you know what, let me just create a version of that dress with a wig. Okay, so, and I went all cheap, y'all. I don't think anyone would really like what I'm doing today. So this is how our wig is looking right here. It's called 100% virgin hair, which is not true, because when the lady was trying to find the box for this wig, because she couldn't find this wig in the box, so I had to like actually take off the mannequin head. Like I literally had to take this wig off of a mannequin head. So this could be just any other box, because what I'm seeing here, I don't think this is virgin hair, because I did open this wig and it certainly doesn't look like that, and it claims to have a lace front. I think this is just a different box, but their box looks like this. Like all their boxes actually, just like when she was pulling out, it looks like that. I'm super happy about the packaging, honestly. Like I feel like I'm having like a really expensive hair with me. I don't know if I'm gonna get it exactly, but I mean, along those lines, I wanna see how this wig is going to look. I mean, I'm not expecting much from this wig because it's 55 rands, and I mean, like, I'm really not expecting much from this wig, honestly. I'm just pulling out the slip so that you guys can see. Like, as you can see, you guys, this baby is 55 freaking rand. So when you open, you get the wig inside. As you can see, guys, she is shiny. She is super synthetic. But anyway, so here is how the wig is looking. And when you open inside, you're like, it's your normal wig caps that you see, and it's got, I like the fact that it's got, what is this? Like you can adjust, like it's got a band at the back that you can like literally just, like you can literally adjust. These are bangs, of course. I don't know the inches. It looks like it's 8 inches, 8 or 10 inches. And this is how it's looking, like it's bouncy. It's super fluffy, or like fluffy. And I got mine in like, it's like a reddish brown, but it's like a natural, I don't know, it's like a dark brown color. And it smells super bad. So for this video, I already have on my wig cap with me that I got from Discam. I love this wig cap actually. So let us start with this video actually, y'all. Like, let's wear this. I don't know how this is going to look. Okay. Oh my god. So this is how the wig looks as soon as you like wear it. So now we're just gonna do a little bit of adjusting. I think she had this part towards the back. I'm trying to sort of adjust this with my comb, you know, just to see. I'm kind of liking it, you're like, honestly, I'm really liking this wig. Like right now I'm just going all in. I just want to show you guys how it looks like when it's like a full fringe. I like the way they cut the front part. Honestly, I mean, with your face bead and everything, except for it being shiny, it's not really that shiny. Like, it's a bearable shine. And again, I am not really mad at how it's looking. So we just want to see, you know, play around with it before we can actually create like her three. I think she's got like, she had 2 lines going on right there. This looks better than my fringe that I cut myself. Honestly, I think the bangs like slap more than mine, like more than my Brazilian bangs. Like honestly, I'll be honest with you guys, in terms of shading, like I do see like a little bit of hairs on the floor, but it's not like, but guys, it's like 55 rands, and what did you expect? But anyways, I mean, for 55 rands, girl, like I can totally like join them girls, Mina, in this. Honestly, now I actually have an idea. Let's say I'm somewhere and I didn't bring my wigs, I would just run to the nearest Chinese store and buy this thing for 55 rand. Like they've got plenty of them, you guys. Like if you want to see like reviews of these wigs like from the Chinese, just tell me guys. Like I will definitely do that for you guys. Like I would like come and review for free for you, like for you to see how this thing is gonna work. Honestly, I mean, I've seen worse than this in my life, and I am digging for this. If you want, you can go in with those 3 pins, yeah, or you can go in with headband, you know, like you can just like, you know, do this, something like this right here. Like I feel like it's versatile and it's free. Like let me try to, can you see, like it moves. And the fact that it has an adjustable band at the back, I think like they really thought this through. So right now, let's get back into the video. It's like, cause I think I'm just getting over myself. Like you can just, let me see if I try to open. I'm just still playing. I don't like this. Hell no, this is not me. I mean, it's a look for some people, but not me. Let's see. Let's play around actually. You know. Girl, she looks like she's going into the office. She looks like she's going to work, serious about her work, you know, tell them the facts, how she feels about how the market is going, how they should improve the market, you know, and you know, just walking like okay, back to the video, y'all. Like I'm just getting for myself right now. So we're gonna try to have 2 hairs. Okay, let's see how I'm gonna do this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. And let's split you into 2 like this. How did she do it? I think it's like this and like I think we're getting there, man. I think we're getting there. Something like this, y'all. Like, I mean, I cannot get the exact look, but it's something like this. It's along there's freaking lines. Something like that. Like, I look odd. I don't think this is my style per se, but I think so. I don't know. Something like this, but I mean, it's still doable. I mean, you can still take that picture, you know, and snatch it and, you know, take it to Instagram. I mean, be like, yeah. Hating this wig at all. Super fluffy, synthetic hair. I'll find ways to actually like kill down the shine. The shine is not that bad, but like I don't think I'm like vibing with this too. I don't know what it's called. Too, yeah, whatever it is. Like I'm not really vibing with it. So anyway, this is how I actually like this wig. Like I just like it with, like I like a full on, I don't know, bang. So this is how the back is actually looking. It's like a very short bob in a way. Like just over the cheeks, just like under your cheeks bob. I want to see how it's gonna look like when it's like one side. I really don't like this. Like I have a round shape head already. Like I just don't like this. Like I would do this if it was longer. I just feel like it makes me a little bit more thicker, and I don't want that. So we're just gonna take it back there. Like I'm just showing you guys like different ways in which you can wear this. You can choose to go in with the two thingies that she had, or you can just, you know, play around with your wig and, you know, find what you like. If you don't want to like really directly go with the two I want to say horns and they're not horns. Like, yeah, just play around with it. I don't know. So anyways, let me just conclude this video, y'all. Of course, this wig was 55 rands, and I just went into the shop and just bought the wig, and I came back home and here we are, except for a little bit of shine that is going on. I mean, I'm happy because, you know, you get what you pay for, but I feel like I got a little more of what I paid for. You know, I will figure out how to actually reduce the shininess. Like if you're not a shine person, like, because this is synthetic hair, guys, like if you straighten this hair, it's gonna burn. Because I was actually tempted to actually straighten, but I want to find ways to actually, like, I don't know, you guys, like I'll just do my research and see how this thing. But I feel like if I can go in with a straightener, I am gone, like it's gonna burn. I mean, on a photo, guys, like I don't think you would be even able to see that I'm like rocking a 55 rands wig. Like if you want to see more of these videos, if you want to see more wigs that are really cheap from the Chinese, like below 100 or 120, let's say below 200 wigs, please just leave a comment down below. And thank you so much, you guys, actually, for supporting me this far, and we are on the road to 2K. That is me with the 55 rands wig, trying to imitate Mihlali's look that she just had. So beautiful that she had, like, you know, guys, like she's really beautiful. So we are gonna compare ourselves with her. This was just a fun video, and you know, just to see what we can get out of the wig. You know, I think it was fun. I think it was a fun video. Like I got to actually, you know, play around with her for at least a good 15-14, I don't know how many minutes. Like I've been here, guys, I've been playing with this hair and I'm busy like posing and stuff. But anyways, yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. I'll see you guys on the next one.